Let's talk about the revolution quietly transforming agriculture precision farming. As we head into 2025, the pressure to grow more food with less environmental impact is higher than ever. That's where platforms like Soilsidekick Pro are stepping in, promising to make farms smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. But what makes Soilsidekick Pro stand out? It's all about 4 proprietary pillars working together, so let's break them down. First up, hierarchical data management. Imagine a digital backbone for your entire operation, able to pull in everything: real-time soil moisture from IoT sensors, yield numbers from your harvester, weather forecasts, even market prices. But it doesn't just collect the data, it organizes it from the tiniest plant to the whole farm, and makes sense of it all. That unlocks deep historical analysis and better forecasting, so you're not just guessing, you're making decisions based on real, actionable information. Next, there's environmental impact assessment. Sustainability isn't just a target, it's a must-have. Soilsidekick Pro tracks your carbon balance, water efficiency, and nutrient runoff, helping you not only protect the environment but also tap into new revenue streams like carbon credits. It's about hitting those eco goals and proving your operation is future-proof. Third, geospatial analytics. This is where things get visual. Using data from satellites and drones, you're not just looking at your fields, you're understanding them at a granular level. You can spot which zones need more fertilizer, where yields are lagging, or even catch early signs of pests or disease. It's like having a bird's eye view with X-ray vision. And finally, the planting optimization algorithms. Here's where the magic happens. Soilsidekick Pro crunches years of data, weather predictions, and market trends to recommend the ideal crop, seed variety, and planting schedule for every patch of your land. It takes the guesswork out of planting and helps you extract every last bit of value from your fields. But the real breakthrough isn't these pillars alone, it's the way they all talk to each other. Geospatial data feeds into planting plans, implementation data informs impact assessments, and every harvest makes the system just a bit smarter. It's a feedback loop that keeps getting better with every cycle. Of course, no system is perfect. There are hurdles: upfront cost, onboarding the team, connecting to older equipment. Soilsidekick Pro tackles this with scalable pricing, user-friendly design, and compatibility with a variety of hardware. The aim? To replace app fatigue with a fully integrated farm hub. Looking ahead, the platform's ready for even bigger things. Think AI that predicts pest outbreaks, robotics integration, or blockchain-powered traceability. Bottom line, Soilsidekick Pro isn't just another tool, it's a blueprint for the next era of agriculture, moving from reactive fixes to proactive, data-driven management. For any operation ready to turn the page, this is the future. Thanks for listening. If you're ready to dig deeper, check out the full analysis in the link below.